Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I literally just finished taking out my hair. As you all can see, the back is braided up, sorry. I'm about to do like a wash day routine for today's video because I just took out my braids and it's all matted up in different areas. So I want to show you guys how I'm going to wash my hair. If you guys want to see this video, keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, cat, your dog. You know the drill. Share my videos everybody loves. So we're going to Dveju Vu be popping. I'm cracking up at this part sticking out. Oh my gosh, I look crazy. I'm gonna take these braids out and show y'all how it looks. Okay, I actually look crazy, but I'm here for this light, so I'm gonna stay here. Yes, I had on those box braids I put them in on July 31st and I took them out on September 22nd. So they've been in for almost 3 months. If I would have kept it in until October, the end of October, it would have been 3 months. So I'm cool with it being in for 2 months. And yeah, it's literally just time for me to take it out because my hair is matted up. I can feel it feeling nasty. It's not really itchy, so that means it's pretty good moisturized, but I just know it's time to take it out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. We're gonna figure something out, child. Look back. I want to get right into washing my hair, so I'll be back. So because we had our braids in so long and you guys already saw how my hair was is extremely matted up and dirty and looking crazy in my roots and in my ends or whatever. Well, my ends are pretty moisturized, but that's neither here nor there. You want to get yourself a spray bottle with some water in it. This is a 360 spray bottle that I got from Sally Beauty Supply Store. It was only 10 bucks, so get into it. It holds a lot of water and it's very, very sweet and very, very nice to use. The next thing you want to have is a denim brush. So I have this red detangling brush by Kiss. It's a really, really dope brush. I'm going to put my hair into 4 sections. So you want to get you 4 different types of scrunchies so you can put your hair in 4 sections. I'm going to be using the Pantene Gold Repairing Mask. This is a great mask for any type 4 hair. It smells really, really good. As you all can see, I use this product a lot. I actually forgot that I have this, so I'm going to use it now. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I forgot how good that product smells. Wow. Okay, so you guys already know I have a natural part in the middle of my head, and since we're putting our hair into 4 different sections, it doesn't really matter how straight our part is, because the only thing that we want to worry about is detangling our hair and making sure we get into the crevices of our scalp and get all up in our hair shaft, because we've had moisture away for too long and it's been braided up and locked up and not having any love shown to it. So we want to show some extra love to it. We want to show some extra love to our roots and everything, because she ain't been getting no love, you know. She a little dry, she's a little bothered, she's a little hot, so now we're getting her some air so she can cool off. So once you have that section, my hair has really, let's clap it up for my hair growth. My hair growth has just been going crazy. You guys see how this look? Wow. See, my hair growth be making me feel like I have to straighten my hair, and honestly, girl, you don't have to straighten your hair. Just wear it in cute, like, you can do so much more cute natural styles with your hair bigger. And in my opinion, when your hair is longer, your froze come out cuter, and some styles are just so much better on your hair when your hair is at a certain length. So that's why I don't feel like every time my hair grow I have to like flat iron it or curl it just to show the length off, because when I do that, it ends up being a waste of time anyways. No, this is why I don't have time. We're just gonna stick with the natural, girl. But we have our spray bottle here. We're just gonna spray our hair. Y'all see that dirt? Y'all see that dirt? That's not cute. But since we got that on there, you wanna always brush from your ends to your roots, because we know that helps with breakage, that helps with detangling, and it's just proper on our hair. You don't want to start by combing from your knots, because you're just gonna comb all your hair out.
Oh my god. No. Oh no.
Because you're combing through the knots, you're going extra hard like that, and that's not helpful, sis. So just take your time, go from your ends to the roots. You don't have nowhere to go because you already set aside this day to be wash day. So you doing what you're supposed to be doing by sitting there and taking your time and detangling from ends to roots. Okay. So if you don't learn anything else from me, learn to detangle from ends to roots. Now you're gonna take some of your product like this, like so, like that, like Auntie Tab. You're gonna just put it on your hair. Now make sure you pay close attention. Pay close attention to the knots and stuff that you may have on your head. So all you want to do is, your hair is already wet and moisturized. Just take your detangling brush and then just brush on through. But those special areas that you have to pay attention to, you just want to pull apart gently. So once you pull apart gently, you'll be able to just pull out any of those knots and then just disrupt all that buildup. So lightly disrupt the buildup and try to pull it out that way so you don't mess up your hair. But you have to make sure your hair is moisturized for this step, because then you'll pull out all your hair. Okay guys, so this is my little fro or whatever. I'm gonna leave in this Carol Daughter's Wash Day Delight conditioner in my head, and I think I'm gonna rinse it out while I'm in the shower, because I feel like that'll be most beneficial, and it'll allow that moisture to lock into my hair and really get into my hair shaft, especially since my hair has been locked and stored away in the braids all that time. I think this will be the best method for me. So I'm gonna leave in this conditioner for like 5 minutes, then I'm gonna jump in the shower, wash it out, and I'll be back and we're gonna see how my hair looking after this conditioner and repair mask is washed out of my hair. So I'll be back. Mini twist on this stretch chair because I'm ready to see some lenses, okay? I think I'm gonna try to do mini twist on my hair. My hair not that long as my good sis right here. This is my first time watching her. I don't even know her name. I didn't even like, what's her name? Curly Cyrus, Curly Cries. I don't know. I think I want to do that style though. And I was thinking about mini braids, but I don't know if I want to do braids. I think I'm gonna try the twist style on like a blow dried hair and see how that worked out as a protective style for me. Have I tried to do this before? No, I don't think so. So we about to see how this goes. And I put my hair in a plastic bag, old school, so that it can like deep condition or whatever, because I don't have a heated I need to buy a new heated cap for natural hair. I need to buy one of those. A heated deep conditioning cap is what I need to buy. I don't have one yet. So we're going to use a plastic bag and we're going to sit. And my heater is on in my room because I'm a little cold. And that's going to help hold in the moisture because it's warm in my room. It's not super cold. So that is a good thing. And yeah, I'm going to watch this video while this do that. And I'm going to do that. And I'm going to be back when my hair is washed and blow dried. And we're going to see what we come up with. Hey guys, I'm back. I had to fix my hair for an interview. But my hair is literally fully blow dried. I think I'm going to blow dry it some more just so I won't have these dips and curls in it. But I'm about to use this Mielle Pomegranate and Honey curl sculpting custard so that I can do these mini twists on my hair like I saw the girl in the YouTube video do. The only difference is she used the butter and the oil. I don't have a hair butter, so I'm just going to use the curling custard and the oil, and we're going to see how that work out. So follow along with me on the journey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. Continue watching all that. So we're about to get into the hairstyle right now. So let's go. So I honestly don't think that the parts matter when doing this style. I'm just going to put some edge booster on my end so it can lay down and look really neat and uniform in a way. But the parts don't matter on the back side because nobody is paying attention to that and nobody is going to see that. So that don't matter. You're just going to part your section. I didn't show that first one because you can't really see it, but you're going to part the section. What I did was put edge booster on my hair. I combed it out to make sure it was all combed out, but I put edge booster on the roots of my hair like I said, and then I began my twist by braiding the roots first so it can be like tight and laid down. So I braided it first and then I proceeded to twist down just so it can stay and look neat and all that. And actually the back of my hair, I forgot to put the Mielle products actually on my hair, so I only put it on the ends of my hair to make it curl up and make it like stay there. I don't know why I forgot to put the product on my actual hair, but that's okay. Hey guys, so I finished my hair. You guys see I have the parts. I got these parts very straight. I think I'm going to blow dry the hair just so it can stay in place. Okay guys, so here's my final look. Here's the final style with the mini twist. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It looks so cute. It looks so good. My hair literally never comes out this good when I try to do mini twists. I guess because my hair was probably a little bit shorter, probably not as healthy, but it looks really good. My parts look really good. It's really bouncy. It's just luxurious. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Once again, thanks girl for the tutorial because you really did that. You allowed me to do this and allowed my subscribers and my followers to potentially do this style too, because y'all just watching me do it right, so y'all probably gonna try to do it as well. But I love this style so much. It's so cute, so dope. Actually at the back I forgot to like add some of this curling cream to like my actual hair, so I'm probably gonna go back in and retwist some of them because I did do it to all the front, but I don't know, it may just be fine just the way it is. I'll show you guys the back, how it's looking. I might do it because the back kind of looks a little bit more puffier than this part, so I may go back in and retwist some of those sections just so I can have it all looking the same. But so far I love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it, share, and subscribe, turn on your post notifications to be notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, cat, your dog. Y'all already know the drill. Share my videos with everybody loves. Your girl Deja Vu, me, myself, and I can be popping. I love y'all so much, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.